You might not believe it, but there's a brand new way people are making money online right now, and it's easier than you think. Thanks to Google VEO3, creating short, viral videos has become super simple, and guess what? Bigfoot and Yeti videos are leading the trend. If you're not jumping on this opportunity, you're probably missing out big time. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you step by step how you can create these fun videos and start earning from them. No experience needed. Let's get straight to the tools you'll need to make it happen, using Google VEO3. You'll need just 3 things: Google VEO3, an AI text tool like ChatGPT, and a video editing app like CapCut. To access Google VEO3 for free, you'll need a strong VPN and a student email. If you have both, you're good to go. I've already uploaded a detailed step-by-step tutorial on my channel explaining how to get 15 months of free access. Go watch that if you need help setting up your account. Once your Google VEO3 account is ready, the next tool you need is ChatGPT. You can find it easily at www.chatgpt.com. You can use it without an account, but having a registered one is always better for saving your work. ChatGPT will help us generate funny, creative vlog ideas for our Bigfoot character that will later feed into Google VEO3. You can also use similar tools like DeepSeek or Grok if you prefer, but for this guide, we're using ChatGPT. The third tool is CapCut, a simple video editing app. It's completely free, easy to use, and powerful enough for editing the videos we'll generate. We'll use it to cut, clean, and merge the clips into one polished video. Now, let's walk through exactly how to create a Bigfoot Yeti vlog using Google VEO3. Start by using ChatGPT to generate 2 things. First, you'll ask it to give you unique video ideas for a Bigfoot vlog. Second, you'll ask it to break your chosen idea into detailed, scene-by-scene instructions that Google VEO3 can understand. Here's the exact prompt I used. Hey, ChatGPT, I want to create a 2-minute vlog-style video using a fictional character like Bigfoot living in the forest. The video should be funny, interactive, and feel like a social media vlog, something that can go viral on TikTok and Instagram. The Bigfoot character should have a caring, funny personality. Each video should show a specific daily activity, like brushing his hair, cooking, jogging a ball, or exploring the forest. Please give me 5 to 7 unique vlog ideas. For each idea, include a short title, a 1-line description, and key moments that could work in a 10-second clip. Keep the ideas light, funny, and meme-worthy. You can copy this prompt or tweak it slightly to get your own fresh video ideas. When I tried it, I really liked the 4th idea ChatGPT suggested: Bigfoot practices for the World Cup. It seemed like a fun, engaging vlog that viewers would love. The next step is to take that idea and ask ChatGPT to break it down into 8 short scenes for a 2-minute video. I used this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, I have this video idea: Bigfoot practices for the World Cup. Please break this video into 8 scenes that make a complete 2-minute vlog. For each scene, give me a brief description of the action, a detailed visual prompt I can use on Google VEO3, including the camera angle, lighting, setting, and character appearance with cinematic detail, and a short, casual voiceover line, 1 to 2 sentences. Keep the character consistent in all scenes: large Bigfoot with black fur, friendly eyes, and a funny, lovable vibe. The scenes should be funny and make sense as one entertaining story. ChatGPT will generate everything you need: the scene descriptions, Google VEO3 prompts, and voiceover lines. Now, take the Google VEO3 prompt for the first scene and paste it into Google VEO3 to start creating the video. Here's an example. Wide shot at golden hour, forest clearing with soft sunlight rays piercing through trees. Bigfoot, black-furred with a goofy expression, stretches awkwardly like a soccer pro. Cinematic, shallow depth of field, handheld camera movement for vlog realism. Bigfoot says, "All right, fam, it's game day. Time to train up these legendary legs." In Google VEO3, select text to video and choose the fast option. Click the Generate button and your video will be ready. Repeat this for all remaining scenes. Once you've generated all your video clips, download them and open CapCut. It's super easy. Drag all your clips into the editing timeline, arrange them in order, remove any pauses or silent parts, and merge everything into one complete vlog. After editing, your video is ready to post on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you want. Thousands of people are already using AI-generated content to grow their channels and make money. This is your chance to join them. If this guide helped you, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials. All the prompts and links I used are available in the video description. And don't forget to check out my other helpful videos before you leave the channel. Let's start creating. I'll see you in the next one.